A good DUI attorney can walk you through the process and maximize your chances of getting the most lenient sentence possible. Keep watching to learn how to find the best DUI attorney. Something to think about. You are entitled to represent yourself in a court of law. However, just because you can do something doesn't mean it's a good idea. One study found that in most legal cases, there are up to 200 discrete tasks that you need to perform. The reality is that this is just too many for the average person with no legal experience. In addition, you should think twice before going with a public defender. While the upside is that they have a lot of experience with DUI cases, the downside is that they're working with hundreds of cases just like yours. As such, they aren't able to give you the attention that a DUI charge requires. Instead, start looking for qualified DUI attorneys that can help you. List out candidates. To find the best DUI attorney in your area, you will first need to organize a list of the professionals working out of your area. We recommend starting with your network. Odds are that one of your friends or acquaintances can suggest a lawyer. If your network doesn't turn anything up, you can turn to the internet. A local search should bring up some of the law teams in your area. Just make sure you limit your search to the lawyers with good reviews. A lawyer can't get all good reviews, but a lot of bad ones should be viewed as a clear red flag. Schedule a consultation. Once you have a list of 2 or 3 candidates, then it's time to schedule a consultation. This is a good way to get a feel of the DUI lawyers you're interested in. Think of this consultation like an interview. Since it's likely free, you don't need to worry about paying. So use the time to get a professional opinion on your case and ask some questions of your own. Ideally, you should meet face to face, but if you're in a pinch, then a phone call or a video chat consultation can work well too. Answer questions honestly. When you meet with the lawyer, they're going to ask for documentation and potential evidence. A lot of these are things that you should gather right after being charged with a DUI. However, it's important to note that these documents only tell a portion of the story. As such, you're going to need to answer any questions that the DUI lawyer asks you as honestly as possible. Make sure you hold nothing back. If you do keep something from your lawyer, then they won't be able to give you an accurate assessment of how your case will go. Don't rush. We urge patience when it comes to selecting DUI lawyers. Make sure to meet with the other lawyers on your list, if nothing else than to confirm your feelings that the first pick is the best one. If a lawyer is pressuring you to decide on the spot, tell them you need to go home and discuss it with your loved ones. And above everything else, make sure you go with your gut. If you get a bad feeling when meeting with a DUI lawyer, trust your gut. Go with a different option. At the end of the day, you should have complete confidence in your attorney. If you live in Wisconsin and need a good DUI attorney, then look no further than Patton Law. From house calls in Kenosha and Racine counties to 24/7 access to the details of your case will always put your needs first. So if you're ready for the legal help you deserve, then contact us today.